Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to change your language on the application of REDnote. You will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to design and you will enter. You will click here. In this page, you will click design of settings. After that, in this list of settings, you will enter to general settings and you will click here. Then in this page you will go to this window of languages and you will enter. And after that, here you will find these languages. You can choose or select any language you want. Here you will find English language as you see. For example, when you will choose your language, you will click in this sign of save. So that's all. That's how you can change your language on the application of REDnote as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.